Hey, what's up guys, it's me Adesh back again with yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to present you the unboxing of Huawei Nova 3E, or known as the P20 Lite. This was just a dedicated video for unboxing and it's not yet completed with a full review. So a full review video will be up, so wait for it. Until then, I will introduce you to this phone with its specs. The phone sports an amazing display of 5.83 inches IPS LCD screen with an aspect ratio of 19:9, which is also known as the full view display 2.0. The device has almost full glass body with an aluminium framing to it. Underneath the hood, it runs high silicon Kirin 659 octa-core chipset, which is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Out of that, we get about 52 GB usable in it. GPU is Mali T830 and runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with Emotion UI 8/8. It even has all the sensors in it and comes with a USB Type-C reversible connector to it. The battery capacity of this is 3000 mAh. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did so, then smash that like button and comment down below how did you feel this was. If not, then dislike it and tell me how to improve the video. This was just a short video on a phone just like this, so a full review video is coming up very soon, so wait for it patiently for something really great. Until I see you in the next one, this is Adarsh signing out.